Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and I do fitness, fashion, and beauty for women over 50. Now today I'm very excited because I'm working with Sephora as part of the SephoraSquad to bring you all your holiday gift ideas, because guess what you guys, the holidays are right around the corner and you know that Sephora has everything that you guys need for all the beauty lovers in your life. So let's get right into this video and see what I have for you guys. Okay, so today I will be unboxing two of Sephora's holiday gift sets, a gift for me and a gift for you. So the first one that I'm gonna open is the Belif Ho Ho Holiday Travel Kit, and I just totally love this. First of all, I love it because it's a travel kit, and I've been traveling a lot lately, and I know everybody travels, and it's so hard to pack everything up, so this is so cute. It's a little reusable pouch, and Belif is a company that follows the Korean regimen of skincare and using all pure ingredients, so we love that. Let's take a look at what is inside. Okay, so I'm gonna go through a list of all the products. I'm gonna lay them out here for you because I don't wanna say anything wrong. So the first thing we have is the Belif Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. So cute. And then we have the Belif Hungarian Water Essence. And then it comes with the Belif, the True Cream Aqua Balm. The Belif Aqua Balm Sleeping Mask. Yes, especially when you're traveling, you totally need that. And the Belif Moisturizing Eye Cream. I absolutely love all these products. I think this is a great gift for somebody who loves skincare, and I love that you can try out all these products before you actually decide that you want to purchase them in full size. So this I think I'm gonna give to my best friend. Yeah, not my mom but maybe my mom because she's such a beauty lover. I wonder where I get it from. But I absolutely love that. So, you know, I think this would work for actually anybody. Anybody that loves skincare, this holiday package, really good. Let's move on to what we have next. Okay, you guys, so the next holiday gift set that I'm going to open is dun, da, 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 the Sephora Favorites Perfume Sampler. Okay guys, so if you've been watching me, you know that perfume is everything to me. So this one's going to me. Sorry, it just is. This one I am gifting to myself. Now, the thing that is so beautiful about this one, I'm going to show you this. You get 13 samples. This is absolutely so beautiful. So I'm going to open it. Ah! Okay, so the coolest thing, I'm going to put my glasses on. The coolest thing about this is it says, try 13 samples, choose your favorite, own a full-size bottle at no extra cost. Love Sephora. Oh my God, can you stand it? Let me open, oh my God. Can you guys see this? Okay, I gotta come in. You get all those samples. Is this perfect for all those people who don't know their fragrances? Now you get to try all of them, and then you get this little gift card, which actually lets you own a full-size bottle when you take it to Sephora. How absolutely amazing. I love the packaging, and you know what? Let's just talk about the fragrances. It comes with this card on the back, which is so cool, you guys. So this lets you guys decide if you are warm and spicy, fresh, or floral, so you never have to worry about like what perfume that your mother, your sister, your wife, your best friend likes, because you can give them this sampler. I just absolutely love the idea of this. So I'm gonna go through all the fragrances very quickly if I can, because And this box, come on, so beautiful. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna get is the Clementine cologne. Then you're gonna get Marc Jacobs, Daisy, you're gonna get Tory Burch, you're gonna get Toka, Clean, Solar Bloom, Burberry, my Burberry blush, Nest in Black Tulip. You're gonna get Versace, Bright Crystal, Tom Ford, Black Orchid, Dolce & Gabbana, Light Blue, Chloe, oh I love this fragrance by Chloe, and Prada, Candy, my daughter's obsessed with that, and Yves Saint Laurent, Black Opium. You get all these samples. Can you even believe it? And you guys, all right, I'll share the samples with my daughter and maybe my mom and my sister, but I'm taking the fragrance. Is that wrong? Is that so wrong? I've been good all year long. So that is it for me, you guys. Please know that Sephora is your go-to place for all of your holiday shopping needs. They have so many amazing products for you to get for all the people that you love, and specifically all those beauty lovers in your life. I hope you guys really loved this video. Tell me, are you ready for the holiday season? What are you excited to get? What are you looking forward to purchasing? And do you like giving or receiving more? You guys put it in the bottom bar below. Please follow me on Instagram, and thank you Sephora so much for letting me bring you guys this video and those perfumes and all this skincare for you. Hope you guys have a great holiday season, and I will see you very, very soon. I hope you've been good. Have you been good? I hope you've been good. Not naughty. Bye!